Ever wondered why the New York Open is a sweet spot for smart money? In this video, we're breaking down the ICT A+ New York Open model. I'm Wendell from Spektrades, and today I'll teach you how to master both the bullish and bearish models to trade like the pros. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Let's get into our ICT A+ New York Open model, the bullish and the bearish. Let's go over the key components. First is our London session raid. If we're bullish, we see London sweeps the lows, clearing the liquidity below. But if we're bearish, London will sweep the highs, clearing the liquidity above. Then we look for our higher time frame point of interest. Price must align with daily / 4-hour key levels, such as order blocks, fair value gaps, or inverted fair value gaps. And then for our next step is that we look for market structure shifts. We look for a break of structure with higher highs forming, but if we're bearish, we look for a breaker structure with lower lows forming. And for your entry confirmations, just like I stated, we'll either use a breaker block, a fair value gap, or a inversion fair value gap for our retracements. And for our targets, we're targeting for bullish days, we're targeting the next liquidity pool, either equal highs or swing highs. If we're bullish, we're targeting the next liquidity pool, equal highs / swing highs. But if we're bearish, we're going to target the next liquidity pool, equal lows / swing lows. During the Asian session, right, this is where price give us our Asian session consolidation. Liquidity is being built above the range and below the range, and then we see that price rallies higher during the London session raid, during the London session manipulation between 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. EST. Price rallies higher and tap inside of the point of interest or clear a point of liquidity, right? That's the second thing that we're looking for. And then during the New York session, this is our New York session distribution, where price will pull back, just like I stated, inside of a fair value gap, a order block, or a inverted fair value gap, to then extend lower to come and clear these sell side liquidity lows right here. But this right here is our schematic. This is a A+ New York Open setup. This happens every single day. For our timing, we only trade between 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. EST during the New York kill zone. The confluences we combine is our London session raid, our higher time frame point of interest, and our market structure shift. These our confluences. Our stop loss always goes below or above the breaker block or above the fair value gap, and we always aim for a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. For extra confirmations, use your SMT, your smart money tool. Look for divergences with correlating pairs. Now, me personally, I trade NASDAQ, so a SMT for NASDAQ is a correlation with ES XPS 500. So any correlated pairs, you can use an extra confirmation as the SMT. But this is a full model. Make sure you guys take a screenshot of this or click the first link in the description and join the Spark Trading community so you can get access to this full PDF. Now let's hop on the charts and see exactly how we put this in action. If you're a person that is interested in live trading daily with me and my brother Arkham Trades, make sure you click the first link in the description and join the Spark Trading community, where you're gonna get access to me and my brother Arkham Trades and live trade with us daily, and access to a full trading course and much more. So make sure you click the first link in the description and check out the Spark Trading community. So during London, just like I stated, we're looking for our London session raid. We see that price rallies higher and give us a liquidity sweep of these prior old highs during the London session. That's the first thing. First things first. But me personally, I don't look for trades until 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. That's the New York session. Let me mark that up. So for me, it's between this time right here, I want to see my setup show. So the first thing, like I stated, we want to see a London session raid. We see that price rallies higher and give us a liquidity sweep. The second thing we're looking for is a break of structure of prior old lows that did that liquidity sweep. Let's play price. And boom, we see that price pulls down lower and give us a firm body break of structure. That's what you're looking for. A firm body break of structure of prior old lows. This right here is what we call a change of character. We see that price was once in a uptrend, but after price give us this liquidity sweep and push down lower to give us our break of structure, this we'll call a change of character. Our next and final step is for us to look for a breaker block, a fair value gap, or a order block. It has to be all during this session time right here, right? So what can we see? We see that price leave us this breaker block right here. I also made plenty videos of the breaker block. If you guys don't understand that concept, just go back on my channel so you can watch them. But the breaker block is the last bearish candlestick before price rallies higher to give us a liquidity sweep. So this right here is my breaker block, and all I have to do is just place my entry, my stop loss right at these old highs, and I'm targeting the Asian lows for a 122 or for a 123R. As you can see right here, I mainly execute this strategy on the 15 minutes time frames for anybody that that's wondering. But if you're a scalper, when price comes inside of your zone, you can scale it down to the 1 minute to look for more confirmation, just so you can have a smaller stop loss. But let's play price and see exactly how this trade played out. and boom. As you guys can see, price pulled back, mitigate our breaker block right here to then extend lower to clear our Asian lows, our sell side liquidity lows right here. This setup right here happens every single week. This is just one of my bread and butter models right here. All I look for is that Asian consolidation. I wait for price to give me that manipulation of prior old highs during the London session, and then during the New York, I wait for that break of structure, for that pullback, and then for price to distribute lower. This right here happens every single week. Go on your charts and backtest this. This is one of my A+ models, and I'm giving you guys for free. If you got a lot of value out of this video and want to trade live with me and my brother Arkham Trades every single morning, make sure you click the first link in the description and join the Spark Trading community, where you get access to a full trading course and access to me and my brother Arkham Trades and live trade with us every single day. I hope you guys got a lot of value out of this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think. This is it. Spektrades out.